In a 5x5 guide world, there are 4 designated pick-up and drop-off locations. The taxi starts from a random square and the passengers start from one of the designated locations. If the player successfully drops the passengers at the correct location, the player will receive a positive reward. If the attempt to pick up or drop off the passenger is incorrect, and no other reward are received at each step, the player will receive a negative reward. The taxi has 5 actions: move north, move south, move east, move west, pick up passenger, drop off passengers. Each move deducted 1 point. A successfully deliver at 20 points and a failed delivery deduct 10 points. In the real-time status bar at the bottom of the game, status represents the state of taxi. Action represents the behavior of the taxi at each step, like left or right, and the reward represents the point of each step. In the demo, queue table updating is the core step of the queue learning algorithm. The current queue value is adjusted based on current expenses and expectations of future reward. The learning rate alpha controls the magnitude of the adjustment, ensuring the new queue value reflects both current experience and past experience. Max Q is the Q value corresponding to select the optional action in the next state, each which represents an estimate of the possible future reward. After 2000 training rounds, the queue table gradually converges. Taxi can find the passengers and take them to their destinations in the shortest possible way. In a 5x5 guide world, there are 4 designated pick-up and drop-off locations. The taxi starts from a random square, and the passengers start from one of the designated locations. If the player successfully drops the passenger at the correct location, the player will receive a positive reward. If the attempt to pick up or drop off the passenger is incorrect, and no other reward are received at each step, the player will receive a negative reward. The taxi has 5 actions: move north, south, east, and west, pick up passenger, drop off the passengers. Each move deduct 1 point. A successfully delivery adds 20 points, and a failed delivers deduct 10 points. In the real-time status bar at the bottom of the game, state represents the state of the taxi. Actions represent the behavior of the taxi at each step, like left or right. And the reward represents the point of each step. The total reward is the successful reward. In this demo, queue table updating is the core step of queue learning algorithm. The current queue value is adjusted based on current expenses and expectation of future reward. The learning rate alpha controls the magnitude of the adjustment, ensuring that the new queue value reflects both current experience and past experience. Max queue is the queue value corresponding to selecting the optimal action in the next state, which represents that an estimate of the possible future reward. In this picture, we can see after 2,000 training rounds, the queue table generally converges. Taxi can find passengers and take them to their destinations in the shortest possible way.